Hey, what's up everyone? It's Jamie G back here again. I want to say a massive thanks for joining me in today's video. Now this is going to be a super quick one. I've got a lot on this afternoon, so I need to get back to it. But what I wanted to say is I've just created a brand new funnel for Builderall, and I'm actually going to be giving that entire thing away for anyone that does join my team. So I'm really looking forward to getting it out there and start promoting it. I think it's going to take off, and I think it's looks pretty schmick if I do say so myself. Anyway, if you are new to my channel, my name's Jamie G. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. If that's of interest to yourself, I'd love to have you guys join me. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Anyway, it's called the sixfigurefunnel.co. It's a brand new domain I've just purchased. Just had to double check, make sure I got the name right there. Sixfigurefunnel.co. I've just purchased it from GoDaddy. I'm going to connect that to the domain very shortly, and it'll be a fully functioning sales funnel. Now, the reason why I'm mentioning all this is because I modeled it off another 2 or 3 funnels that I've actually seen. Some of them promoting ClickFunnels, some of them promoting Builderall. Now, the ones I saw promoting Builderall, there was a common theme amongst some of the super affiliates that are promoting Builderall, and that is that they are providing a lot of additional value. So they're not just going, here's Builderall, you should get it because it's awesome. They are providing additional training, they are getting people up and running, they're providing funnels, they're providing traffic strategies. And then I thought about it, and I thought, well, you know what, I've been running Facebook ads since early 2014. I run my own Facebook ad agency. I consult with a whole bunch of people all around the world. Why don't I add that as a value add to my Builderall sales funnels and try and get people on board that way? So the whole premise behind me setting this up, and the whole premise behind the sixfigurefunnel.co domain and the idea behind it is quite literally I'm going to be creating a funnel that I can give away to people if they sign up to my team, and included in that is going to be additional funnels. They're going to be able to swipe the entire funnel for themselves and basically do whatever they want with it. They're going to be able to get 18 traffic generation modules. They're going to be able to get my other currently selling on Warrior Plus funnel called List Exploder. That's all inclusive. That also includes those 18 traffic modules plus an additional 6 modules that show how to grow an email list really rapidly from 0 to a couple of hundred, if not a couple of thousand subscribers in next to no time. So that's included as well. I'm also going to be giving one-on-one coaching and mentoring, private Facebook group access, all sorts of stuff. It works out to be about 4.5K worth of additional value, plus obviously my time to set it up, my time to coach people, my time to basically go and create all these Facebook strategies and test everything out the way I have done since I started running ads. So anyway, if you are interested in this, then stay tuned. I am going to try and release it over the next couple of days. Now, a little caveat before I do. I don't want to sound like I'm not true to my word, but I am heading away overseas in about less than 48 hours from now. So it's going to be a pretty busy couple of days for me. I'm going to try my best to get this nutted out and finished, and hopefully provide some awesome value for you guys out there in the internet world. Anyway, like I say, super quick video today. Just wanted to say hello and what I've been up to today. So that's it for me today, and thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.